Hello guys, good morning. This is Ryan PDT and this is my trade for FedEx. So as you can see, got rejected at pre-market high. So my initial position was somewhere here at 151, got rejected here, risk about 153. We'll probably get out here. Hard stop 153 and glad I didn't get stopped. And took small partials around here and majority of my shares here, so all out here. So you want, let's have a quick look and watch my trade live. Yeah, so market opens. So I was seeing orders here around this area, so I was thinking maybe I'll short it around 151. But when it went to 151, I immediately shorted it, which is a really bad idea. So you shouldn't be doing this at all because this is like chasing it. So you should have waited for a confirmation, but good thing this is a small share. And then when I saw it got rejected at pre-market high, that's where I added, risking 153. That's in my mind. I was like thinking, when I see 152.90 here, I will start considering exiting. So I have shortcuts in my mouse to exit right away. So yeah, so good thing it did not continue, which I was really lucky. So I was actually risking $2 for this one, which is about around here. I almost got stopped 150.90 area, so I almost got stopped. So I added risking 153. So I went back to my original entry. I reduced my share size, and then I took some off here, 10%. This is, I think, half because of the ad. So, and then wait for my levels. So I'm seeing, as you can see, let's slow this down a bit. I only take profit around levels, but I was a bit too early here. Another 10%. I was patiently waiting for levels, and because I'm not seeing any orders that's gonna pull back here. That's gonna pull back. So yeah, this is probably my target, 148. So this is where I took half, just in case. I took half, and probably another one at 148, probably another half. So I'm almost out of my shares at 148. Yep. See what happens. Yeah, I was impatient. I did not wait. I should have waited for more, but yeah. So as you can see, we stop. We still have orders at 148. So I still have a bit of share. So that one is a really good trade. Yeah, so as you can see, I only traded VWAP with VWAP and level, so I don't trade with moving averages anymore. My life has been easier with just VWAP. I can easily decide if I'm going to short or long. If it's below, then I'm going to short. If it's above, then I'm going to take long. So those kind of things. So yeah, my levels worked. Actually, these are levels I drew earlier in the pre-market. So that's about it. So I think I have last shares. I want to get out here again just in case, but I'm sure it's probably gonna go back to VWAP if it breaks 149.19. See how powerful levels are. Look at this, right? Exactly at my level, right? Well, my level is 78 and I'm a cent away. This is 77. So yeah, levels are magic. Like what Andrew says. So yeah, I'm out of my trade. I'm done. And I would like to know that I would like to let you know that if you haven't, please subscribe to Bear Bull Traders. They're probably they are the best trading channel or trading chat room in the world so far. Yeah, so if you haven't, please subscribe to their channel. And if you want to check my Instagram account, it's Ryan_PDT. Ryan_PDT. That's my Instagram account. I post my daily trades there, winning and losing. So yeah, if you want to see my daily trades, just follow me there. Cool. Yeah, 5 minutes. So yeah, if you have any questions, just comment in this YouTube video and I'll reply. And I'm gonna send this to Abiel now. Cool. Have a good one, everyone. Cheers.